Picture this. Friday night. You're 26. Card goes through at the bar. Outfit's clean. Vibe is right. Life looks good. Life feels good. Somewhere across town, a guy your exact age, your exact paycheck, just crossed $40,000 in his investment account. You have $600 in yours. The average 25-year-old in America has less than $5,000 saved. Not invested, saved, total. And most aren't even close. That gap didn't come from luck. It didn't come from a rich family. It came from 5 decisions. Decisions that look completely normal from the outside. Decisions that feel fine because everyone around you is making them. That's exactly why nobody warns you. By the end of this, you'll recognize yourself in at least one of these, probably more, and each one gets more expensive than the last. Let's go. Trap 1. Debt that doesn't feel like debt. You get your first real paycheck. Things feel possible. The clothes, the trips, the nights out, and the credit card makes all of it feel fine. Because you're only ever looking at the monthly payment, never the total. A $1,500 purchase, 24% interest, minimum payments. 4 years later, you've paid $800 in interest on top of the original price for something you can't even remember buying. That's the trap. Then there's buy now, pay later. Klarna, Afterpay, Affirm. 4 small payments. Clean, painless, genius at separating you from money you don't have. Run 5 of them at once and you've built a cash flow crisis with your own hands. Here's the rule. If you can't buy it outright, you can't afford it. The payment plan doesn't change the math. It just hides it. Consumer debt in your 20s is not a bump. It's a hole. And every month you stay in it, more of your future income is already gone before you earn it. That's the cost. This next one is where most people get permanently hurt and don't feel it until it's too late to fix. Trap 2. Waiting to invest because it doesn't feel urgent yet. The damage is invisible until it's permanent. $200 a month starting at 22, 7% return. By 62, $520,000. Wait until 32, same $200, same return. You get $243,000. Same money, same discipline. 10 years later, less than half. That $277,000 gap is a paid-off house, a decade of retirement, gone. Not because you were reckless, but because you waited. And the reason people give? I'll start when I make more. You will always find a reason to wait. Every month you do, compounding is running, just not for you. $50 a month, automated. That's all it takes to start. The amount is almost irrelevant. The time is not. Every month you delay has a price tag. Real money, countable money, gone. If you're doing this next one, nothing else in this video matters until you fix it. Trap 3. Lifestyle inflation. You get the raise, and almost immediately, without deciding to, life gets more expensive. Nicer apartment, newer car, better restaurants, trips you actually book. None of it feels wrong. You earned it. Here's why it's killing you. The gap between what you earn and what you spend, that gap, is the only place wealth comes from. When your lifestyle swallows every raise, the gap closes. A closed gap means no wealth. Doesn't matter how much you make. There's something called the hedonic treadmill. What felt like luxury at 22 feels like the bare minimum at 27. So you upgrade. The gap stays closed. And you wonder why you're still broke on a good salary. You think you're leveling up. You're just running faster on the same treadmill. The people building real wealth in their 20s aren't always the highest earners. They're the ones who earn more and refuse to let their lifestyle keep pace. They bank the raise before they feel it. Every time income goes up, lifestyle stays flat. That's the move. This next one, nobody talks about, and it might be the most quietly expensive thing on this list. Trap 4. Spending money to look wealthy instead of becoming it. 2 guys, same age. One leases a BMW he can barely afford. Designer clothes on a credit card. Vacations that wrecked his bank account for 3 months. The other guy drives something basic. Normal apartment. Normal clothes. You wouldn't look at him twice. 10 years later, one of them is free. The other is still performing for people who don't care. Nobody ruins their financial life overnight. They do it quietly. monthly. The people actually building wealth, you cannot tell. Their money isn't on their body. It's in accounts, compounding, invisible, growing. Morgan Housel said something I keep coming back to. When you see someone in a nice car, you don't think about how impressive they are. You imagine yourself in the car. The car impresses you, not the person. You're not building admiration when you spend to look wealthy. You're building an illusion, and the cost of that illusion is the actual wealth you could have instead. You think you're enjoying life. You're financing it. Look like you're winning, or actually start winning. You can't fully do both. And now, the last trap. This is the one that makes all the others permanent. Trap 5. Letting your 20s pass without building anything. A job gives you a ceiling. There's a maximum amount any employer will pay you for what you do. Doesn't matter how hard you grind, the ceiling is real, and it belongs to someone else. The people who escape financial mediocrity in their 30s almost always built something in their 20s, when they had energy, lower bills, hours that hadn't been surrendered yet, a skill, a service, a second income, even small, growing while the job paid the bills. Here's the brutal truth. Most people will spend their 20s getting comfortable inside someone else's ceiling, then spend their 40s wondering why they can't break through it. Your job should fund what you're building, not just your lifestyle, your future. You can learn any skill for free. You can sell services with zero overhead. You can build something real from your phone in the hours after work, but only if you protect those hours instead of letting them disappear into comfort every single night. The most dangerous version of your 20s is being comfortable enough not to build, but not wealthy enough to be free. That's not safety. That's a slow trap with no alarm. Don't live there. Remember that guy from the beginning? $40,000 in his account. You with $600. Same age, same paycheck. Here's the truth. He just avoided these 5 things. No secret, no inheritance. 5 decisions made differently. That's the entire gap. 5 traps. Debt that hides in plain sight. Waiting while compounding runs against you. Lifestyle swallowing every raise the moment it lands. Spending to perform wealth you don't have. And letting the most buildable decade of your life pass without building a single thing. From the inside, every one of these feels completely normal. That's the point. Most people will do all 5 simultaneously and spend the next 20 years working harder, earning more, and still feeling behind, never quite understanding why. You don't have to be most people. Pick the one trap you recognized yourself in. One move. This week. Not next month, not when things settle down. This week. The best time was 5 years ago. The second best time is right now. I'm Victor. Subscribe if you want to keep building. See you in the next one.